we mango salad. We had the grilled chicken with mango salad. Okay, it's called mango salad with the grilled chicken. Okay, do you know this one? This is a green mango, and the yellow one is red mango. And this is the basil, and let me see the basil, and this is the sauce from the mango and the lemon juice all together. Okay, you see this? Oh my god, it's yummy. Let me see that. Oh my god, yummy. Okay, who want to try that? Okay, oh my god, do you see this? This one is the Thai eggplant, the small one. Yes, okay. You see the juicy from the salad? That one, yeah. Okay. And this one is the mango salad. Yeah, you see the meat inside. This is the meat inside. Let's open it. Oh my god, let me see. You see the stomach? Oh, yummy. Who want to eat that? I think who want to eat that? Let me know. You can join with me. Okay, this is stingray. And I just want to introduce everyone to know how to Cambodian cooking. And the grilled chicken usually we eat with the grilled mango salad. You see that? You open this one, like you open the skin. Some people they use the hand without use the spoon. Oh my god, you see the juicy from the grilled fish. This is juicy from the grilled fish. You see? And the stomach. And then we just some people they just use hand in Cambodian, some people. And then just you have the mango salad. They have the lemon. They have the green one, and then they have red one. The green one is sour. The red the red mango is sweet. And then they combine between the sour and sweet. The taste of the mango is so perfect. An ingredient we just make like natural ingredient, like put in like lemon juice with mango, and that's the sour and the sweetness come from. And you just put on the stomach from the grilled fish, and you can enjoy what you like.